use as exact name arithmetic operations.
Okay,
We can't use that as arithmetic programming names.
we can. Okay, let's create the program. Zdemo Arithmetic Operations is our program name. Create the program. Save it in local object. Local object is a package. Now, so what are the different arithmetic operations available? Can you tell me?
Addition.
Addition.
Subtraction, division, or multiplication.
That's it.
Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division.
Okay.
Maybe play a conditional statement, I think.
Okay. Okay. Let's see the arithmetic operations. For this, we'll take two parameters. What is parameter?
You can pass as a single value on the selection screen.
What is it?
User can define.
It can hold a single value or it can pass a single value into the selection screen.
Parameter is an input option where user can enter the input. What is parameter? Parameter is an input option. Okay. Where user can enter the input. Okay. Parameter can accept single value as input. Okay.
Okay.
So I've taken two parameters. What is the type of these parameters?
Integer.
Integer. Integer accepts only numerical values. Okay.
Yes.
Now we'll define one variable to display the output. How to define a variable? LV underscore result
Underscore result.
Type. What is the type of the variable you have to take? I, right? Because we are calculating these two inputs and passing that value to result. So all the variables data type should be common. We should not take character here because we are populating the result of these two numbers into this final result variable. This should also having the same integer type. Okay. Sorry. Now first see how we can use addition. So tell me the logic. How to write addition?
V underscore result equal to.
IV result equal to.
Okay, LV underscore result equal
Type
to
1 plus p value 1 plus p value 2.
Okay. What should we do after we got the result?
P value
Right.
1 equal to 5 or anything value. Have to
We can take separate
have the
variable
value.
for each operation. One way of doing is we can define a separate result variable for each operation, result, subtraction, multiplication, division, and display it in the final right statement after performing all operations. Or we take only single variable as result and pass the value and use the right statement here, right? LV underscore result. Okay. What is this operation?
Addition of two number series.
Data.
Addition.
Okay. So we have displayed the output. What is the next operation? We'll take multiplication. Okay. Or subtraction. Same.
Change the value. Minus.
Okay. So, but do we have any value before writing this subtraction logic? Do we have any value in LV underscore result?
No, sir.
Don't we have any value before writing this logic, subtraction logic? Do we have any value now in this LV underscore result?
No, sir.
Is it empty or is it containing any value?
No value, sir.
No value. What is this then? We're adding two numbers and passing that data to LV underscore result, right?
Sir.
There is a value in LV underscore result, right? Sum of two numbers. Is there a value or not? Here.
P.
Did we populate a value to LV underscore result or not?
Sir.
We are populating the value here. In line number 13, we're adding two numbers and populating that value to LV underscore result. Now after write statement, do we have a value in LV underscore result or not?
No, sir.
No. So where that value, did we clear the value? Did we clear the value in this variable? Then what happens to that addition, that sum of two numbers value? We have added a value, right? P underscore value 1 is value plus 1 plus value 2 equal to LV underscore result. There is a value, right? If we pass 10, 20, there is a value 30 in LV underscore result. After write statement, do we have a value in it or not? In the LV underscore result, that 30.
It value, sir.
What?
Value is there, sir.
Value is there, right? The addition value is still here in this LV underscore result. So when we are subtracting, when we are writing this logic, there is already an existing value in this LV underscore result. What is that value? Sum of these two numbers value.
Listen.
Before using subtraction, what we have to do? Clear that value.
Clear the value.
Clear the value which we have calculated here for the addition. Clear the value in LV underscore result and populate new value, that is subtraction value, to the same LV underscore result. Clear?
Yes.
Now again, what is the logic for multiplication?
LV
IV result equal to a p value
P underscore value into
into.
Now, do we have a value in LV underscore result, or is it empty?
it
It
have
is
a
there.
value, sir.
What is that value?
Subtraction value.
Subtraction value still there.
Subtract value.
Clear?
You have to
LV
clear
underscore
LV underscore
result.
result
And
dot.
then populate the new value, that is multiplication. And then display the value. Display the value as output. What is the logic for division?
Score result.
IV result equal to p value 1 by p value 2.
Hmm. Okay. Is it correct logic or not? Division.
Wrong, sir.
Why?
We must clear the value
Hmm.
because the multiplication value is
It's
there
still
in the
there.
LV result.
So we should clear the value and populate with
We
new
have
value.
to clear that value.
Hmm.
Clear statement we can use.
Right.
Clear.
What are the other arithmetic operations available? Hmm?
Only, sir.
That's only.
And others are there, but I didn't remember that.
Power.
Uh,
Power.
Power of. Right?
Square.
So how to write that operator? Power of operator using double star. Okay? 2 power of 10. Like that. Clear? And we have mod also. What is mod, Sai?
Mod means multiplication of division.
Hmm. Don't you have this in
I
mechanical?
don't. Mod means I don't know, sir. How can
Okay.
I try?
Okay. So I have to use backslash. Otherwise, all will be displayed in same line.
write default value.
Okay. So we have to provide text elements. We'll use 5 and 10. Execute. So 5 plus 10, 15. 5 minus 10. What is 5
5
minus
minus
10?
5.
Minus 5.
5
5 minus 10.
minus 5, sir.
Minus 5. Two numbers. Multiplication of two numbers. 5 into 10, 50. Division of two numbers. What is it? 10 by 5. What is the value? 1, right?
10 by 5. 5 and 5
Power
twos.
of, what is it? Power of 9,000. 7. Okay. It's in lakhs. What is the input we have given? Okay, 10 power of 5. Two by 5. Power of 5 is 32. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 fours are 32. Okay. 2 power 5. 2 power 5 is 35, 32 only, right?
Yes, sir.
How to calculate power?
2 power 5 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 times we have to
2
return
into
and calculate. And 2 power 5 into 2 into 2 into 2.
what is the
4
value?
on the 4 to the right into 16, 16 to 32.
Okay. So this is how we write arithmetic operations. Okay. Is it clear?
Sir.
Or you can use a separate variable for each arithmetic operation. Use this for addition and define one more variable for subtraction and one more variable for multiplication, and use the variables here in the right statements. For that we need to define 10 around 6 variables. If you want to use separate variable for each operation. Okay.
Result 2, result 3, result 4 like.
Yeah, like that. Is it clear? How can you replace this with the inline declaration? Just remove the variable. In the first statement, first time define it with using data statement. Next time it will work. Okay. You don't need to define the variable separately. In the first time of usage, use data statement to define that LV underscore result. Okay. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
We have also floor and seal like kind of operation like this. one thing.
Hello.
Yes, I.
We write another variable. At a time, we have to declare the data.
Yes.
All one.
So how to use seal or floor? You know what is seal, floor? What is seal and what is floor? What is seal and what is floor? Hello? What is seal and what is floor? Floor means upper value. If there is a value like upper value and lower value, it will convert, it will round off the value, right? See this. What floor will do? Floor will round off the value to the upper limit. Okay. Okay, the length is not enough. We have taken integer, right? Integer is by default four numerical lengths. We have taken a very large value. We need value in points. For example, there is a value 5.5 or 5.3. What will floor do? It will round off the value to 6. What will seal do? Seal will round off the value to 5.
5. Okay, sir. Okay.
There are many arithmetic operations. Or will take separate.
We have to write seal.
Mm. It is for floor. We are doing okay. Let's set a breakpoint and check how it will work. Execute. Okay. Floor is empty. F6. Okay, we got the absolute value. We did not get value in decimals. For that, we have to take type P. Okay. Define the integer type.
Click on it.
If we get the data in numerical points like digits, we can get it. When we are using P, type P, we can see these perfect examples. Okay. Take data P, decimals are 2. What is P? Decimals 2. The value will be like this: 10.00 or 10.50, like this. Okay. Did you understand what is the difference between integer type and P? Integer cannot have decimal places, but P, packed decimal, will have decimal places. Integer is like this, only 10, but packed decimal is 10.5. It will also accept decimal places. Okay, 10.50, 10.00, 10.01, like that. Decimal places we have to define. How many decimal places we have to accept? Okay, is it clear? Mostly we use it for currency like value. Amount will be also in decimal places, right? 100 rupees 50 paise, 1000 rupees 50 paise, like that. Let's see how it will work. So what is 11 by 7? It is
0.57.
1.57. Now let's floor this value. In result, we have a previous value. Let me clear it. I did not write the clear statement. Let me remove this value. Okay, in debug mode. Now we have 0. After applying floor, what is the value? 1. Let's apply
Amar,
seal. For seal,
hello.
it is 2. Seal means upper limit. Floor means lower limit. Yeah, Hari.
ఈ వాల్యూస్ ఇక్కడ వేరియబుల్స్ లోకి హైలైట్ కావాలంటే ఎలా? సెలెక్ట్ డబుల్ క్లిక్ నొక్కితే రాలేదు.
When you click on double click, it will be displayed here in the side pane.
అదే డిస్ప్లే కాలేదు నా దాంట్లో అందుకని.
Double click on it. Double click. It is displaying here, right? Select desktop. Okay.
ఓకే.
So is it clear?
క్లియర్.
Floor means lower value. Seal means upper value. So 1.57 is converted to 2 because we applied seal. Seal means upper limit. We are rounding it to upper limit. Floor means rounding it to lower limit.
Rounding to lower limit.
That is 1.
1.5 like.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's about floor and seal. Just remember, floor means floor, our room floor. Seal means upper ceiling.
ఓకే.
Don't know, it is very slow. So did you guys understand what is work area, how to define work area, and how to populate values?
Yes, sir.
Or do you have any questions in it? Is it clear about arithmetic operations?
ఎస్.
So yesterday we have seen how to populate data into work area, right?
Sir.
Now we'll see how to populate data into internal table. Tab means internal table. Create the program. So I've defined a type structure. You know, right? What is a type structure? Before defining internal table or work area, we define a type structure in program with the list of fields, which should be available in work area or variable. Now let's define the work area and let's define the work area. Tell me the syntax to define work area.
Data.
Okay.
Work area.
WA
Underscore.
Some
Data.
std student data.
Std
Type structure. ty underscore std.
ty type structure name.
Now, how to define an internal table? So what is the difference between work area and internal table? Work area can handle holds only single record in program runtime, right?
It is temporary.
Can multi.
Yeah, temporarily can hold a single record. But what is internal table?
మల్టిపుల్ రికార్డ్స్.
Can hold multiple records.
Yeah, can hold multiple records in the program runtime. What is the